Dismissed.
Much obliged.
Dismissed. I is dismissed. I dismissed.
Wait, please allow. Item number 9, my lord. And it's earlier rejected, my lord. Can it be before the appropriate bench, my lord?
Item number 9, please the matter before the appropriate bench.
My lord, one more matter, my lord. Item number 17, my lord. The diary was called for, my lord. My learned friend said, my lord, did not receive, my lord, from North Gauhati, my lord.
Case diary not received.
When?
Yes, commercial quantity. 6 of August, man.
Iman Pishan.
4th of August.
Can it be on 28, my lord?
Hmm?
It's the second time, my lord, diary not received.
28.
One more prayer, my lord. Item number 45, my lord. My learned friend had said, my lord, diary had not been received, my lord.
5, no?
45.
45 CD not received. Malab petitioner is in interim. Man.
I'm obliged, my lord. Much obliged.
4th of August. File an additional affidavit.
70?
78, my lord. Someone record, my lord. I may be. Keep the obliged.
Hi, Fellowship. I beg to mention item number 64 hearing.
60?
Oh.
Ah.
Maybe next week, my lord. Need a next week, my lord.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3. For admission, I have taken the consent from the respondent.
When?
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
Side. You're for the respondent.
I'm for the
Petition.
petitioner.
Okay.
I'm for the respondent, lordship.
There is an interim order that may kindly be continued in both the.
Praying for taking up a unlisted matter, my lord. Actually, for correction, for minor correction, my lord. Pass one bail order, my lord, and that.
Please, Your Lordship. There's one more paying item number 22, Lordship. That has not been received by the office.
22K updated.
Based on. When?
5th of August.
There is the interim order. Keep to your place.
I beg to mention item number 63. Conducting counsel is out of station, Your Lordship.
All right, 63. When?
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
Your lordship. To mention item number 46. I have my lord CD notice.
Hmm?
46.
Use the mic, use the mic.
My lord.
46 case diary not received, man.
Great. Let him come.
Sixth on 7th of August, man.
56 also, same order.
Highly obliged.
So I beg to mention item number 7, my lord. But this, my lord. Weeks.
One.
Received, man. Petitioner is in interim, my lord. 10th of August.
The prayer, my lord. Item number 10, my lord.
For 10, my lord, service.
Received
The week, my lord.
after a week.
It please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. She was called for, the same was not.
20.
Interim is there,
He
lord.
did not receive, my lord. Petitioner is in interim, my lord. 10th of August.
Yes,
Fabulous, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship, CD not received. Interim is there, Lordship.
Is in interim, my lord.
yes, next.
Obliged.
On 11th of August.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 74 of supplementary list. Here is not received, Your Lordship.
Again on so and so.
Term is there, Your Lordship. Term may be continued.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 75, lordship. Lordship, their instruction was called for, lordship, whether or not, lordship.
That report, my lord, not yet received, my lord. 28th of August, 28th of July, my lord.
Last order in this item, lordship, it was supposed to be whether any FIR is pending, but mention as
Then
TCR,
wait,
lordship.
let the item come up.
Deeply obliged.
May it please honorable court, item number 12, I respectfully seek adjournment as I senior, item number 12.
Here received, my lord.
TCR received.
TCR.
12 TCR received. Care of learned counsel for petition list again on. When?
2 weeks, up to 2 weeks.
May I please, your Lordship. Lord, I beg to mention item number 27, my lord. Probably not received, my lord.
27 CD not received. my lord.
Interim is
Petitioner
there.
is in interim, my lord. 3rd of August.
Please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 55. We like to withdraw this petition, your lordship.
Name?
A. Hussain, your lordship, on behalf of F. Hawk.
Dismissed as withdrawn. 55.
Yes, your lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Item number 16, my lord. Okay, wait,
16.
16, lordship. Here is.
Here received.
May I please, your Lordship? In this case, your Lordship. Your Lordship, what has happened, your Lordship? Did not annex the FIR, your Lordship, as your Lordship, due to strike of this lower court staff, your trial court staff, your Lordship. Yesterday evening, we got a copy, your Lordship. We filed it day before yesterday, your Lordship. That's why. Now, here is a case, your Lordship, where the petitioner, your Lordship, who is a class 1 contractor, your Lordship. He tried to be a, your Lordship, whistleblower, your Lordship, and ultimately face the consequences. What has happened, your Lordship? I in para 5 of my petition, your Lordship, I have mentioned the details, your Lordship. this lady, your lordship, who lost this affair, she was arrested in connection with an NDPS case, your lordship. She, your lordship, was telling your lordship, dealing with the drugs, and when he was returning back, your lordship, he came to know about this, and he intercepted and informed the police, your lordship, and when this came, your lordship, he lodged this affair, your lordship, in the police station. Subsequently, he was arrested, your lordship. Now, your lordship, 35-3 notice have been issued, both the cases, your lordship, 10 years, your lordship. But your lordship, out of your lordship apprehension, he has come before this honorable. Comply, your lordship, 35-3 Monday, he used to. Yes, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly see the FIR, your lordship. He went beyond his brief, no doubt about that, your lordship. Now facing the music. In fact, your lordship informed the police. Police came and she has mentioned this, your lordship, that I have called police, your lordship. And I'm a class 1 a contractor, your lordship. 100 rupees at least I will not demand, your lordship. Also GMC, your lordship. Teddy has already been arrested. All for the case that you appear, your lordship. Page 14 is the 35-3 notice, your lordship. I have annexed his, your lordship, registration with the chief engineer, your lordship, at page 12.
This is not a much of a so and so. Call for the CD.
Deeply obliged.
This report was called for.
22/6/26, my lord.
It's not dated 15/7/20 says no such report has been received.
Right. Any report is received?
Otherwise, my lord, Here communication has to be made through the registry. I will try to get the instruction, my lord.
That will be better, Lordship.
Earlier direction was that, my lord, the registry has to communicate the police station, my lord. Right now, I will try to get the
Learned amicus learned additional PP as per office note. The order dated to the OC Dolgaon PS speed post. Speed post dated 7/7/26. No PSB awaited. In the meantime, learned take steps to from the
Learned APP will obtain the instruction. Place.
they communicated on 7/7. So
please, Lord. My lord, application under section 482, my lord. Code of Criminal Procedure for quashing of complaint, my lord.
yes.
The last occasion, my lord, the respondent was directed on 30th of April to approach before the approval of
You have filed additional affidavit.
my lord.
You have got copy.
No, no,
No, already received.
Lord, I don't ever, my lord. I tell you my senior, my lord. 5 minutes time may be given, my lord.
All right, after some time.
It will come on Tuesday, my lord. My senior Jay Avidin is in and Saturday.
I have a humble request to make. In item number 69, kindly our presence may be recorded, Your Lordship. I missed it by a few seconds. I am for the appellant, Your Lordship. Ask the delivery of orders.
Delivery of orders, your presence is to be recorded.
I have just missed for a few seconds, Your Lordship. I entered and it was over.
My lordship.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Mishra. The FIR
FIR was lodged against, FIR was lodged is on account of misleading info given by others, Lordship. It's a compromise matter. Lordship, we have no objection to bail.
Lordship, I will appear.
Not a bail petition.
Penal petition.
Penal petition,
Lordship,
No objection to stay, Lordship.
Lordship, charge sheet, Lordship, I have seen an absconder, Lordship. I will appear, Lordship. In charge sheet, Lordship, I'm shown absconder, Lordship, in charge sheet. So I will appear. Lordship, that has been compromised between informant and accused, Lordship.
He will appear there and submit the for compromise. What is your prayer now, here,
Lordship,
today?
my prayer here, Lordship,
Today, what is your prayer since the matter is compromised? What do you want to do with this
Lordship,
petition?
if the honorable court grant me some protection, Lordship, I will appear before the trial court.
These two persons are the main accused persons.
What is the offense?
Thereafter, my lord, case.
Offense, what is the offense?
Lordship,
Your lordship,
Offense.
kindly come to page 11 of the, my lord, 11 is the FIR, my lord.
Okay, since they appear,
Lordship,
they
I
let
will
them
pay the
appear.
Lordship, give consequences.
Is shown as
Counsel for the
cases of
petition.
2018.
An additional PP. Government stroke correspond. Submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner trial court and file appropriate application. Is for action till then also. Will appear before the trial court in a period of 10 days.
15 days, Lordship.
Any date has been
Lordship,
fixed.
on 20 August, Lordship, this matter has been fixed in learned trial court, Lordship.
Next date fixed, that is 2008. File appropriate application which considered as date or till their appearance. Learned trial court, whichever is earlier. Coercive action shall be taken against.
Lordship, on my appearance, Lordship, some protection on my appearance.
For appearance, you have to file application there. What protection can we grant from here?
Lordship, I may be taken into custody, I may be arrested, Lordship, because
But you should consider while submitting making your submissions. What protection can we give in a criminal revision petition? We have kept it in abeyance till your appearance. File the bail application along with the compromise. What more can we do?
Deeply, Lordship.
My pleasure, Lordship.
My lord, in the, as per order of the honorable court, it has been resumed trial like in the court below.
My friend also told me that
What order?
there was order from the court, because there was no stay order for which even then came that proceeding was suspended. But Honorable Court has directed to resume the proceedings.
No, my lord, it was not suspended. This honorable court passed an order directing the respondent number 2 to approach before the trial court by filing appropriate petition.
We have
For
filed.
taking custody.
We have
That
filed it.
that was not done.
Dated 25/2/26. It is made clear that there is no stay operating in this matter.
Yes.
So,
Therefore, the learned trial court is at liberty to
yes,
proceed.
but now the trial court is open the chapter again.
Of course, it will.
No, I am for the petitioner, my lord, there.
Ah.
And my friend has challenged that proceedings. Tippling issue between husband and wife, my lord, regarding key and the passbook of the bank, which has been under the custody of the wife.
Whatever, it is a criminal proceeding. He has challenged it for whatever reason.
It is totally, my lord, as per complaint statement, it is completely, my lord, civil nature of case. My lord, FIR complaint petition, my lord, at page 10, my lord.
Any appropriate order, my lord, because client is also not listening to me, no, not touching with me. I phone, he is shut down the phone.
Then you withdraw. Then you withdraw.
I have not filed, my friend.
It is filed by myself, my lord.
No, no, you withdraw from the case. If your client is not instructing you,
Yes, I am ready to. I will permit to withdraw my.
instead of making submissions that may ultimately harm your client,
Yes, very true.
it's better to withdraw from the case.
To withdraw money, madam. I have written letter to also to my client.
But for that, there is a process. File an application before the registry.
I'll do it, madam.
As my lord, my learned friend already appeared today, and matter is already ready for admission hearing, my lord.
But he says he has no instruction from his client.
Well, your lordship can proceed. I will not oppose it, whatever my learned friend will say. I will not oppose it.
All right.
Because it is a tippling matter between husband and wife. Regarding passbook, bank passbook, under the custody of the wife. And the husband is not allowed to enter the house.
And there
They are
is no
living
any
separately.
criminal integrated. Is
That is the
petition, my
reason.
lord.
In one side, daughters and mother, and the other side on the husband matter. The old man, above 60.
And already, my lord, daughter and son already adduced evidence before the trial.
Yes, against me.
Against the
My mother.
father.
There is no good terms with my father and mother.
And this complaint was filed after filing the divorce petition, my lord.
I'm having difficulty understanding who is submitting for whom.
My lord, I am for the wife and filed this petition for quashing the complaint case. And in that case, my lord, no stay of the proceeding before the trial court. And the complaint itself, it is a civil nature completely, my lord. It is stated that
And you agree
I agree, madam.
that it is a civil nature.
Kindly say, my lord.
Where is the complaint?
Page 10, my lord. That's from page 11, my lord. And you will also there, my lord. At page 15 onward.
Sole respondent.
Yes, ma'am.
Respondent number 1 is the state, my lord.
State.
Who is the private respondent?
Criminal proceedings. Is the case number there?
Case number, CR case number 23 of 23.
Pending before the
20, not my lord, it is 13, my lord. 13 of 23, my lord.
pending before the
Before the SDGM Gauhati. Page 15, my lord.
the aforesaid proceedings were stated on the basis of a complaint filed by the husband against the petitioner wife. In petition that the parties were solemnized about 30 years ago, out of which children were born and they are now adults. Ultimately, in course of time, the relationship between the parties broke down. The wife filed a divorce case against the two, which was subsequent.
Second divorce petition is pending, my lord. Additional affidavit it is
Who filed that?
petitioner, my lord. Petitioner wife.
Subsequently, however, another divorce petition was the petitioner wife.
PSM number 69 of 2022.
Is still pending.
After second petition, the husband filed that complaint petition.
After filing of the aforesaid the present stroke response the complaint that case of the complainant that he had bought a piece of land Isonat district upon constructed by the petitioner by taking loan from bank and started to stay separately. Of the said that the complainant had met with an 1222, but the petitioner did the matter and allowed their children get in about accident, their father's accident. When the complainant was admitted to hospital, the wife and children took care of him. After about 2 months, when the complainant returned to his house, the petitioner wife locked the grill of the house and did not allow him to enter. It's the complainant went to his brother's house at Tamari. Allegedly threatened the complainant that if he tried to enter the house by force, then she will burn him by pouring petrol. Further allegation that the ATM card, PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter ID card, bank passbook, RC, driving license, land documents, cash amount of rupees 5,000 and his clothes are all lying in the said house. The petition in any contact with the locked his cell phone. The serious problems. From the law. Fairly concedes is of a civil. And taken by the parties. Cost. Hereby stands.
Obliged.
Or 83 application in connection with Behali PS case number. Your Lordship.
Chief.
Is your receipt.
Case number 16 is the FIR, Your Lordship. May kindly. Initially, Lordship, there was no allegation of any error, Lordship.
Page?
16 is the translated part of case number 16. FIR was lodged on 27/8.
The stage now.
Till filing of the bail petition, Lordship, statement of four witnesses has been recorded, including the Lordship, victim and informant. And doctor's statement has also been recorded, and there is no clear evidence in the statement as well as in the FSL report as claimed by the informant.
Doctor evidence.
Case number, doctor report, Your Lordship, may case number 56. Case number 50. Case number 56 is the statement of the doctor, Lordship. Case number 57 is all 350.
So the victim's evidence is there, could not be contradicted with reference to any other previous statement. Is going any deeper into that.
Age of the victim is
Number 57, Dr. Lordship.
Decisive, but at this stage we are not deciding the case itself. Of evidence now, the girl's evidence is already there. We squarely implicated you, not even shaken during cross-examination. Petitioner and ready. Yes. Under section 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Finger as well as his private part of the 7 years only. Trial of the case is victim has also been nature of the para and considering the severity of the offense, the rejected at this stage. Instance dismissed.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application, lordship, 81 days in jail custody today, lordship. FIR lordship will find on page 13, lordship. Initially, lordship, case was registered under kidnapping, lordship, subsequently, lordship.
Case diary not received, my lord. Regarding as per my instruction, my lord, of this matter after some time, sheet submitted in this.
Only after some time. Instructions, service of notice on respondent number 2. For the petitioner, as per instructions, an additional paper has been served on respondent number 2. But none appears accordingly. Appointed as there. Yeah. Copy be served upon. CD has also. When?
29/7.
It is received.
It is on 24/7.
24.
Next week.
You are appearing for petitioner. Things is there, you can serve the copy also. CD to be retained. CD retained.
Pending for service report.
Is awaited in item.
A while, my lord.
Your
POCSO 12 is there.
10/6. Percent, but
10/6 days.
take through concerned police station.
It is sent to the concerned police station only, my the PP's office.
PP officer.
Huh? To VP office, already done. Cannot obtain instruction. Wait,
Next week, my lord.
no instructions has been received regarding service of notice of but through from concerned police station
24th, lordship.
in on 24th.
I'm deeply obliged.
Please, your lordship. Succeeded case, my lord, POCSO is there, scan copy of TCR was called for, that has. Amicus
Arrested,
curiae,
appearing for the inform.
Also appointed. And copy of TCR not received, list taken on. So.
And my lord, if possible, my lord,
All right.
oblige not.
order যিটো অহা নাই
Wait, please, on last occasion, TCR was called for, my lord.
TCR not
Please, your lordship. CD was called for on the last date, lordship. There is non-compliance of section 48 as well, lordship.
still not received. List again on
6th day.
7th?
All right.
In item number 15, my lord, reminder may be issued, my lord. Reminder may be issued, my lord. In
issue reminder.
Please, your lordship.
Receivers.
72.
21. City receivers.
Bail hearing, regular bail hearing.
Received on previous date itself.
My lord, city receipt.
Here 1631. Here, my lord, arrested on 5/6/2026 and forwarded on 6/6/26. So from the date of arrest as on today 43 days. Or if your lordship can't be forwarding date in 42. FIR or lordship will find page 13. I will lead your lordship to page 14 vernacular, my lord. Page 14, my lord. May I read? বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱাকালি সন্ধিয়া প্ৰায় 7মান বজাত মোৰ ছোৱালী ঘৰৰ পৰা অলপ দূৰত ফুৰি থকা অৱস্থাত পদকে হাতত ধৰি জংঘলৰ মাজত টানি নি মোৰ ছোৱালী কাপোৰখিনি আদি ভিডিঅ' কৰে ৰিমুভ ক্লথ এণ্ড কেপচাৰ চাম ভিডিঅ' মোৰ ছোৱালীক দৰ্শন কৰিবৰ চেষ্টা কৰে পিছত মোৰ ছোৱালীয়ে চিঞৰ বাখৰ কৰাত আব্বাছ আলী শুনি দৌৰি যোৱাত পদকীয়াই পলায়ন কৰে তাৰ পিছত পুনৰ হাবিত সাৰ্চ এণ্ড সাৰ্চ ছোৱালী টানি নি দৰ্শন কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰে এই সময়ত এখন ই ৰিক্সা আহি পোৱাত ছোৱালীজনীয়ে চিঞৰ বাখৰ কৰাত পদকীয়াই সেই ঠাইৰ পৰা So, my lord, from the very face of the FIR, my lord, the entire story is apparently absurd, my lord. One incident he has, as per FIR, committed, and then he has to wait for some time. Another girl come, and he. So, diary has been called for, my lord, and the allegation is, my lord, 818 POCSO. Maximum punishment is 3 years. Case diary is here as on today 43 days. Hearing all this aspect, my lord, I will pray, my lord, your lordship may kindly enlighten me on bail. Improbable story, my lord. Had it been one incident, I would have nothing to argue, my lord. If your lordship.
And your story is that it was this Abbas Ali with whom she was in a compromising position.
His statement is there, my lord.
First Abbas Ali came, I fled away. Then I again went there. That entire thing happened within half an hour. Then an e-rickshaw came, I fled away.
Abbas Ali's statements are also. Abbas Ali's statements are also here, my lord. Carrying the 183 statement, my lord. So, friend, my lord, there is a, my lord. There's on, my lord, from there, they, both of them came there. That present person appeared from the roadside, my lord. Put the witness, person stays on the same line.
180, 180. Abbas Ali is there, my lord.
No, no, I'm not following. Where Abbas Ali was where?
He's coming, my lord. He's coming. After hearing their hue and cry, my lord, he rescued roadside, my lord, that incident.
I am not on that, my lord. I first incident, my lord. Yes, Abbas Ali rescued the first victim. I fled away. Then while how second incident came to be happened, my lord. Nowadays, many occasion has come before this honorable court and Supreme Court has found that these provisions are misused, my lord, are being highly misused.
And Abbas Ali should be given a medal. He should
My
save
lord.
two girls on the same
Rescued
day.
two girls, my lord, on the same day, my lord.
43 days as on today, my lord. Maximum punishment 3 years.
There's one Abbas Ali, 186 statement, my lord. Abbas Ali statement is there, my lord.
Abbas Ali.
Abbas Ali. Next page, my lord. Next.
Tahed Ali.
Abbas Ali. Flag mark is there. 186 statement.
Stellar statement, nine.
How about this?
Yes. 7 p.m. night time
my lord.
in the jungle. Video recording.
Video.
Difficult.
Summer time, my lord, 7.
7.
Seven always dark, man. Capturing video.
Summer.
Yes, amicus.
Otherwise,
Especially
Hmm?
regarding that aspect of video recording.
Doesn't appear to have seized anything.
is, my lord, inherently improbable. Dark video capturing in a jungle.
On mobile, anything in night or day, it is not. Flashlight is there in the mobile.
But that this is. But considering, my lord, 43 days I am bar behind the bar.
Something is there, my lord. In 180 statement of as victim, my lord. Something is there, like knife.
Depends mobile phone, but well, it is not. Is it till now then?
Father of the my lord. Father of the statement of the father of the victim is there. Called the accused person called his father also, my lord. Said that in my mobile, my lord. Then the father said that send me that video, but he refused to send.
Is from where this whole allegation has come, I think, that he recorded it in video. In an AB, you would have understood, but he has been arrested, then why the mobile phone is not there? But Mr. Sir, respondent number is reflected in the FIR, which that the accused person pulled one of the to the jungle, the road during the time. Due a co-villager. Immediately thereafter, the attempted to other victim. Because of the appearance of an e-rickshaw. Had to flee. Girls are minors. That also video recording. Minor girls. Learned counsel petitioner submits whole of the prisoner assaulting same evening lodged by the informant cover up the fault of the victim who was found with another person by the petitioner. One of the girls. See. Statements. Team girls.
One also said that here patches are my lord. First victim.
Father of one of the perusal of the scene. Registered under which section?
818 POCSO মানে।
Of the 18.
মানে 75
75 sexual harassment, 3 years punishment. 76 assault or use of criminal force, extended to 3 years. Section 18 my lord, attempt to commit offense. 8 my lord, this is also 3 years punishment.
76.
Punishment for sexual assault.
$76.
Extended to 5 years. 7 years. Minimum is 3 years. It will not come, my lord. In fact, from the FIR, if at all, 18 will come. Attempt.
Error. Then it is what 60-day offense. Therefore, bail is allowed. Further provided that the protect family members any person acquainted with the fact case and stands allowed accordingly.
I would like to
See.
May I please, Your Lordship?
My lord, here we have not reached the case there, my lord. I have pressed for another date, my lord.
From 51 days, Lordship. In the bar.
What is the offense?
Under 69, Lordship, BNS. Lordship, there is no such
Where?
fire is at page number 12, Lordship. The particular portion is at page number 15, Lordship. May I read? সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে মই খুচি চেত্ৰী পিতা হস্তে বাহাদুৰ চেত্ৰীয়ে আপোনাক জনাও যে মই গণেশগুৰিৰ নোমান্স নামৰ কাপোৰৰ দোকানত 7-8 মাহ ধৰি কাম কৰি আছিলো। প্ৰকাশ কৰোঁ যে মই ডাউন টাউন আনন্দ একাডেমীৰ ওচৰত কাশ্যপ দাস উইদিন পেকেট আকাশৰ লগত চিনাকি হৈ তেওঁ মোক বিয়া পাতিম বুলি কৈ মোৰ লগত বহুদিন একেলগে থাকি শাৰীৰিক সম্পৰ্ক কৰি মোক প্ৰেগনেন্ট কৰি মেডিচিন খুৱাই সন্তান নষ্ট কৰে। এতিয়া মই কিনি দিয়া স্কুটিখনো নিজৰ তাত ৰাখি ওলোটাই টকা বিচাৰি মানসিকভাৱে হাৰাশাস্তি কৰে আৰু তেওঁ ভায়েকেও কথা শুনি হাৰাশাস্তি কৰে আৰু মহাশয় ব্যক্তিজন এতিয়া মোৰ লগত সম্পৰ্ক গোপনীয়ভাৱে পলায়ন হৈ থাকে বাবে আপোনাক জনালো। Lordship, what happened there? It is a fact that they have some deep-rooted love affairs, and out of that, consensual physical relation was there. Subsequently, there some misunderstanding crept out between them. But during the misunderstanding, she repeatedly used to treating the person, treating the accused person of their consequences.
Her complaint is against you having made her pregnant or because of you leaving him.
Subsequently, what happens? She compromised. One affidavit is.
She wants you back or she wants you in jail?
Really, after the now this generation is what after the breakup, she celebrated her breakup party, Lordship, and uploaded her photo in her social media. Lordship, turn to page number 31, annexure G, Lordship. Breakup party, guys. A broken heart, Lordship. This is the and Lordship may turn to page number 30, the affidavit. She no more wants to proceed. She is now regretted, Lordship.
It's 30.
It's 30, Lordship. No such experience the 69, Lordship. Yes.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned EDS call for has not been received and the
I prayed for an
petitioner has spent 51 custody. Learned additional date for furnishing the trying to get to the that the government lady aged about 20 years who was in a petitioner pregnant was the termination of pregnancy. Thereafter left her
Not late,
It is-
Lordship, during that period, she repeatedly on WhatsApp message, stating
The petitioner has next an affidavit government victim wherein she had lodged the FIR due to misunderstanding with the petitioner is not with the case any further. Regard to the above as well as the period of detention of 51 days. Instance.
Made, please, Your Lordship. Yes, as per my instructions, search sheet submitted. Here, Fosco also added, my lord, by earlier dated notice was also sent to the respondent and notice also.
Lordship, here what happened, Lordship, 81 days in today, Lordship, in jail custody, Lordship.
What happened? Charge is submitted.
Sheet submitted.
And TCR may be called for because Lordship, 81 days today, Lordship, initially no case of POXO is there, Lordship. Initially, it is a case of kidnapping, Lordship.
So POXO has been added.
Added, POSCO added, man. POSCO added on 19/6. Earlier order, it reflects from earlier order dated 24/6.
Stated that RCD has been submitted by CS number, so hence call for the scan copy of the TCR with CD.
IA 686 is there for implementing respondent, informant as a respondent number 2.
IA in the IA, this IA. Implement of so and so as a respondent number. As section 4 act has been added. There is allowed. Disposed of accord. Here's for the
Highly obliged.
True. The POSCO is added, man. POSCO is there, my lord. You have already been served by the police service. The
yes.
Is there not received, man? Up to that case, there is not received.
Is served.
service is not there, my lord. I read the record, service is not there.
Mhm.
Copy has been served to the PP as well as registered post, my lord. That service is not there.
I'm not following. Is the service complete or not?
No, service not yet
I guess respond number two.
Service on respondent number 2 is not complete and updated CD is also not available. List again on internet. PP will instructions regarding service on respondent number.
Order of August.
Problem.
Wait, please, Honor. 482 application. 482 application. Pagbor PS case number 1101 under section 366A and 370. FIR is at is 11, my lord.
It is there.
I'll scan copy, man. Scan copy.
Can copy.
Yes, it is.
That's back to 2020, my lord. Only submission is here, my lord. I am not named in the FIR, and my name was added in the it only basis on pure suspicion, my lord. And after that, I was never called in the police station for investigation. And my lord, the police did not follow the proper procedure before declaring me as an absconder. Lord, my humble submission is that I may be protected till my appearance before the committal court.
Yes.
Let here 22/5/2020 cognizance taken, my lord. Thereafter, someone issued to the my lord, but he was absent from 23/6/2022 till date, my lord. Sometimes he appeared and third step, with step, but not appeared. Thereafter also not appeared, my lord. 2-3 occasions he taken step with the advocate, my lord. Thereafter also not appeared. Yet he is not appearing, my lord. And thereafter NBW issued on 27/11, my lord. Against him, NBW was issued, and thereafter, as per my lord calling, my lord, it was PNA also issued, but not in the record, my lord, it was. 164 statement categorically stated, my lord.
Only apprehension is that
Basically, no, on the my lord, he is missing, my lord. She was missing. Sir, my lord, in order that 22/5/23.
apprehension is that if I appear before the trial court, my lord, therefore I will send. I may be protected till my appearance before the committal court, my lord.
Protected before
Appearance before the committal court.
session court. Till it is sent to
376 is-
POCSO. Huh?
376 is
POCSO is not there.
POCSO is not added, but in the lordship order 22/8/2024, my lord, POCSO 6 will come, but not yet added, my lord. Charge is not yet framed. Arsid, it was soon as submitted under section 360.
No, we can only protect you till your appearance before the committing court. How can we protect?
My lord, my
Because it will not be committed until you appear there.
I may be protected, my lord.
Yes, till your appearance before the commit.
I will appear before.
What you are submitting.
But you have to consider as per law, my lord.
But there is a judgment, I think, of Allahabad High Court recently to the magistrate granting bail in sessions.
My lord, that is from the section.
Bar in law. Why should we say all that? That is for impress the court. Yes.
One. And learned friend already shown one order, my lord, dated 22/8/24. Paragraph 10 and 11, my lord. I would like to read out that shortly, my lord. However, it is revealed from the copy of the birth certificate, which is found in the CD, that the date of birth of the victim girl was 12/7/2025. Hence, at the time of the alleged occurrence, she was 50. And in this order, that section, since the victim was, my lord, 15 years. And
I still should have transferred it to POCSO court.
my lord, my lord. And aggravated sexual assault is there as per 164 statement of the victim girl. She was forcefully kidnapped and subsequently married also, forcefully. See, entire history is stated in her 164 statement. I have a serious objection in this.
There is only, he will appear there and apply for bail. To consider after that. Till then, he's protected. Till then, he'll be protected.
Fine. Bail will consider by the trial court in accordance with law.
No,
I'd learned counsel for the
10 days or 15 days.
I'd learned. Leeway has been issued against the prisoner is desirous of appearing before the learned court where the case is presently pending. Now.
My Mr. Mace is first class mail.
RC 1090. At the NBW.
Best.
Lordship, Angus Council out of station.
Them?
You also not receive, ma'am.
He did not receive.
My lord.
You know.
My lord, 28
I am
and
for
29,
29, my lord.
search sheet submitted, ma'am.
I am for item 29, my lord. My lord,
What is the case?
case was, my lord, I am on interim till today, my lord. This honorable court, my lord, passed an interim order, my lord, dated 25/5, my lord. Then, my lord, we obtained the certified copy of the order on 26th, my lord, and then, my lord, we appeared before the concerned IO, my lord, on 29, my lord. Then, my lord, they did not, my lord, record my statement saying that charge sheet has been submitted. My lord, we have got the certified copy of the order, my lord. Charge sheet, my lord, sorry. Charge sheet, my lord, now it is seen submitted on 2nd of June, my lord.
Let's call for the scan
My
copy
lord, in
then.
the earlier in the 28, perhaps in trial.
Already
court,
called.
for my lord.
It did not come.
14/7 only, my lord.
7. It has not come in the other case also.
My lord.
But in my case, my lord, the scan copy was not called for.
My lord.
Interim was granted because I filed
Because
an
it was called for in the other case.
Other cases.
No point in calling twice.
My lord.
Scan copy of TCR not yet received in on so and so interim to continue till the next. What cases the interim order is there?
My lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Thirty-two.
Is the case there? He come back.
Item number from item number 32 to 42, my lord. And why, my lord? Not received. my lord?
42.
With the and what did you? IO has not sent the CD.
Hello, sir. My lord, item 32, 39 and 40, my lord.
Thirty-two and
32 to 42,
all.
32, 42.
32 to 42, and again, my lord, from 47 to 56.
All these are under SIT now.
Yes, my lord. So updated CD, my lord, at this.
My lord, regarding item number 32, my lord, can I have, my lord? 39 and 40, my lord, I have interim, my lord. But 32, my lord, interim was not granted. That not granting my interim, my lord, I could not appear, my lord. Even all the my lord, connected members, all were granted, my lord, interim, except my 32. May I kindly pay, my lord, the 32 year lordship may kindly, my lord, grant me interim, my lord, so that I can appear before the court, before the, my lord, IO, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, I could not appear, my lord. All connected members, others, my lord, I was granted, my lord, interim. And all the, my lord, connected.
Depends on whether you stand on the same footing or not.
My lord?
That depends on whether you are standing on the same footing as
Same
the
footing,
others.
same FI, my lord. Out of the same incident, my lord. My lord, one FI was lost, my lord. Three FI was lost, my lord. Out of the same incident, my lord. And two, my lord, two FIs, my lord, I was granted bail, interim, my lord. But one not granted. And all the, my lord, other co-accused were granted interim protection, my lord. Well, I pay, my lord, I may be allowed, my lord, I may be, my lord, grant, my lord, interim protection in item number 32, my lord, so that I could appear, my lord, and cooperate with the investigation, my lord. Because now all the, my lord, other co-accused were granted interim protection, my lord.
Where is that? Which item interim has been granted?
39 and 41.
9.
39 and 41.
39.
Co-accused are granted, that is 41, 42, my lord. Okay, that is a co-accused, my lord, granted.
From 32, 33 to 42, all are in interim.
All are interim, my lord, except 32, my lord.
Interim.
Except 32, my lord.
32 had learned counsel for the CD has not been produced. Communication by the received the SP within bracket Gauhati, head of SIT. Others. Team. There are also strong in time. In regard to the footing have been granted. 1253. In
My lord, 32 to my lord.
Interim is there in others.
Other cases interim.
Others,
This case it is not there.
my lord, since my lord 32 is not there, my lord.
Only 32.
32. My lord, even 39 and 42, my lord, that may be extended, my lord, because I could not appear, my lord. That was, I was directed to appear within 7 days, my lord.
Come 39.
39 and 40.
At the interim part. That petitioner put next date. 39 and
41. I am diploma.
Go to item 33 is there, huh? 33.
From 32 to my lord 42.
32 we have done already. Okay. Now 33 to 42.
42. And thereafter again, my lord, from 47 to 54.
Okay, 33 to
52.
And Lordship,
have you all appeared?
yeah, I am appearing for 33, 34.
No, have you appeared before the IO?
Yes, yes, we have appeared before the IO.
Anybody not appearing?
Lordship, I have some problem, my lord. Item number 51, there some mistake, my lord. So my client would not appear. Otherwise, my lord, item number 36, 41, 42, 49, 50 appeared.
51 could not appear.
Could not appear because there are some mistake, my lord. I have filed on IA. IA is there for correction, Lordship.
Correction.
Yes, IA is there. Listed.
Correction of?
Father's name and address, my lord. It was wrongly typed, my lord. That is.
IAS.
So for item 35 is concerned.
IAS 667 of 26 in it. IA has been referred taking correction of the
Page 6, Lordship. That is the correct address.
P 1355 of dated 22/6/26. Italics of part of the order seen.
So I may be allowed 10 days time to appear before IO.
That is we have already given. That is 51. Okay. Anybody has anything specific to submit?
Lordship.
Jury is gone.
Oh, yes.
In 35, my client has appeared before the IO.
If 36. We have already done, I think.
42. Thereafter, my lord, again, my lord, from
To
47.
41, okay, up to 40. Right again. The next date of list. Right, interim granted. Same order will also come in from
47 to 54, well,
7 to 54.
54, well.
$54, you said.
Yes, well, 54.
I have appeared.
Yes, so we are done.
My prayer before Lordship, my lord, because during 15th August, all are in interim, my lord. Last part of the August, that is 27th of August.
Are not with, my lord. I have made the chart of the three PSKs, the serial number. Regard to PSKs number, my lordship 8/2020.
Give him the chart. Itu heri di serially list
The three, I have made the chart.
কৰি থাকিলে বহুত কিটা
The তিনটা কথা। What also, data? Three different PSKs, I have made the list three.
But they should come together.
Yes, they should come together, my lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, Lord.
Item 75, a report was called from my lord, OC concern, my lord, regarding any cases pending, my lord.
25, somebody mentioned, I think.
75. Item 7.
Mention. Yes, Pathak. 75 mention is. Huh? Oh, কিবা submission কৰি আছিল মোক
My lord, one report was called for. My lord, whether any FIR has been registered against them. That morning or we have not received the report. We prayed for some time, my lord. But he has prayed for.
He had prayed for mentioned the matter. We allowed it, but then he started
My lord.
saying something else. So
Arguing, my lord.
now he's not here.
But we have also received our report, my lord, at present in WhatsApp, my lord. Present here.
Report as called for has been. Here was called for.
Item 75.
No question of PCR, this is AB only.
Heavy, my lord. Hamid Ali Haq.
Just mention that on an additional PP the concerned police station. The matter again on, give it on.
Earlier.
Lordship, initially it was in this case where FIR was not filed and interim protection was given to us. Subsequently, Lordship, this FIR was filed and the informant has also submitted objection on the last date. And on that particular day, Lordship, we have submitted that we may be allowed to file additional this affidavit. We have filed additional affidavit and as well as the reply to the objection, Lordship, and that has not been checked, Lordship. We have filed yesterday, Lordship. So that may be given. On the last date, the CD was returned back.
CD also not received. Up to date CD was called.
Not called, not even called. Call corner CD. No. On the last date, it was returned. It was before the vacation. Lordship.
The petitioner submits that affidavit has already been submitted to the reply to the objection filed by the government, but the same is directed well as the directed to produce the
interim may be
so and so to continue till the date of listing.
CD, my. 5.
Can't hear you. Can only see your smile. Can't hear your words.
Sir.
Earlier date.
Because it will be, Lordship, the case is that it is better to slow down because both the party has already filed this registration of this application for registration of marriage. So that is going on, Lordship. Probably, Lordship. Lordship,
File has it been fixed? It is actually.
5A. 5A.
5 August.
5A. 5A.
My lordship, the scan copy is received. Amicus was, my lordship. My lordship, here the case of the petition. Annexa 1, page 11. At the time of the cause of action, my lordship, the girl was 16 years, the boy was also 18 years. And they were in a love relationship, they eloped, and thereafter they came back, and which is also reflected in the medical opinion also. My lordship, my humble, the intention of filing my lord 7, 2026 is my lordship, the petitioner filed my lordship. My lordship, he was also 18 and the girl was 16 plus. And as FIR is my lordship, Annexa 1, page 11. Thereafter, lordship, I take your page 23. which is the original copy, and the type copy is also there. My page 23, the medical case history, my lordship. At 10B, my lordship, page 23. My lordship.
The age now, present age,
Of the petitioner, my lordship.
victim.
In 2024, she was 16.
Of 24. Currency is of 24. October 24.
24, my lord. Occurrence.
So what are you doing all this time?
My lordship.
This is AB, isn't it?
My lordship, my lordship.
Absconder search it.
Absconder search it, my lordship. My lordship. After receiving the summon, my lordship, I have been from 8/4/2026, my lordship, I have been representing through an advocate for appearance, my lordship. Time may be granted on
This is before POCSO court now.
my
Is it not?
lordship. My lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Are sheeted and is POCSO case number 5 before the learned. Where?
My lordship.
Where is it? Which district?
Lakhimpur, my lordship.
File. Till his appearance before the learned. Year 2024. Like that investigation. Trial court period of 15 days from application being filed by him. The period during the same period of 15 days, no coercive action shall be taken against the
My lord.
My lordship, alia.
The counsel for the respondent number 2. They texted me that they are stuck and take them 15 minutes time to. I have said 2, my lord, in that case.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, for 82 I have to appear as well, lordship. Lordship, I have been granted interim and accordingly I have appeared before the court below. Lordship. I have my statement also recorded. 4 petitioner before your lordship. For the lordship, counterblast. That my affair is at an extra 1 page 13. The counterblast affair is page 23, page annex 2.
Yes.
Before the IO statement recorded, and in the CD case diary, my lord, injury report is now not available, my lord. Then I contacted the IO that why injury report. That, my lord, there is no injury, my lord. In fact, in the cross case, my lord, the then petitioner was
call for has been received. That for pre-arrest bail in 6 is hereby accordingly.
Obliged, lordship.
for my lord, case diary not received.
They did not receive date of listing.
appeal, my lord. One day is also there. Daily order dated 25/24, my lord. First, the IA, my lord. But in the main appeal, there is no order. I have found. This is, my lord, criminal appeal, my lord. Conviction is for 10 years under section 4 of the POSCO Act. But till now, my lord, TCR not called for, my lord. Not found any order. They only, my lord, notice regarding notice part is there and notice already served, my lord.
Yes, served,
Yeah,
witness is appointed, so TCR is required.
First order passed on 25/24 in the IA.
There is no order in the criminal appeal.
The criminal appeal, there is no.
Statutory against the IA you write. None. Learn it, am I correct? Please the
Pay condonation. 2019 days. 2019 days.
file. দুটা
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly peruse order dated 15/7/26. The note dated, my lord, office note dated.
As per order dated 17/6, we are directed to take step routing through the registry, Lordship. From online, we have seen 18/6, we have Talabana, we have taken.
take again then.
Submission may be recorded and registered.
Office note dated 15/7/6. Received by the learned counsel for the petition. And
18/6, Lordship.
On 18th.
Very next date, Lordship.
Office to. On.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, in this was this received, my lord. I have filed an IA, my lord, 5655 for correction in that first title, my lord. Father's name of the accused was wrongly written as, my lord, Dilip Sharma instead of Surendranath Sharma, my lord. And village name also. Correction of the main petition and connected IA, my lord.
The particulars
Father's
of
name also, my lord.
of the appellant title of the allowed according.
Another is for bail, my lord. He is 154 days behind the bar, my lord. 5 years of conviction, my lord.
Correct the cause title. Similar or other IA.
August.
You have taken steps.
Last time, pro police. I want to take a step pro police. It may allow take a step through police. Tunikata police.
And number 2, not yet. There is prayed for by learned counsel. And police station. In the same through the registry.
Obliged.
I'll file this reply during the course of the. This reply is on record, Lordship.
Who has filed reply? You. Therefore,
Respondent number 2.
counsel for respondent number 2 submits that a reply has been filed when?
Course of the day we will file, Lordship.
I will be filed in the course of the day. Objection has already been filed.
We will file, Lordship.
Not reply, objection. Okay. The matter again on.
Authorized.
Bail is granted, petition is.
I shall.
Petition is allowed. Is allowed.
Or
Allowed.
objection.
Allowed.
Highly obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Anticipatory bail application, cross POCSO case, my lord. Now, in this case, we filed an FIR alleging that our daughter was sexually assaulted, my lord, minor victim. So case was registered under the POCSO Act. Two of the accused persons also got arrested. Days after we lost the FIR, the wife of the accused number 2 in our FIR, so she lodges an FIR against us, including the POCSO victim, that we had sexually assaulted their daughter. The Lordship will kindly come to page number 19, my lord. This is a FIR lodged by us, my lord. এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা 28/5/2026 তাৰিখে মোৰ নাবালিকা ছোৱালী লক্ষ্মী অলসো নোট দ্য নেম মাইলো so and so এজেড 16 years বিয়লি 4:30 মান বজাত উক্ত আসামীগণে ৰাঙলু উৰিয়া গ্ৰান্টৰ পৰা ফুৰাবলৈ নিয়াৰ চলেৰে মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীক অপহৰণ কৰি লৈ যায়। ছোৱালীজনীৰ ৰাতি 8 বজালৈ ঘূৰি নাহাত ঘৰৰ ওচৰত বিচাৰ কুচৰ কৰি বিচাৰি নোপোৱাত ঘৰৰ পৰিয়ালৰ মানুহক খবৰ দিয়াত এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ ভনীয়েক পাৰ্বিনা বেগমৰ পৰা ফোন যোগে গম পাওঁ যে মোৰ নাবালিকা ছোৱালীজনীয়ে মোৰ ভনীৰ ঘৰত কান্দি কান্দি আহি জনায় যে নিম্নলিখিত আসামীগণে তাইৰ ইচ্ছাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে শাৰীৰিকভাৱে অপদস্থ কৰাৰ লগতে তাইৰ বুকু আৰু গুপ্ত অংগত হাত দিয়ে আৰু লগতে মাৰপিট কৰি জখম দিয়ে। আমি ছোৱালীজনী ভনীৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা লৈ আহোঁ। Now note, my lord, this FIR was lodged on 29/5/2026, and at page 21, your lordship will see this was received.
They have filed an application for bearing that order. That's 6,500 rupees.
I prefer the appeal, lordship.
You preferred.
Revision petition, Your Lordship, 49/24.
Second case is criminal revision petition, lordship.
You've challenged 9,000, gave 6,500. Then you again preferred revision.
Petition for decreasing the amount, lordship.
In 6,500.
from 6,500, and perusing my capacity, Lordship, this Honorable Court the amount to 4,000.
In this second case.
Lordship, may kindly see order of this Honorable Court in second case 11/9/2026. 26.
So your job is done. What did you expect? To reduce it to 0? Then
That was an interim order only.
an interim order, we will leave it for the final determination now. Case is pending anyway.
They are done.
It's only an interim measure. So
Lordship,
this will continue till disposal of that appeal.
Lordship, that is there in
It is the,
that is
that
there in the order, Lordship. 11.
And in this criminal revision petition 349 of 24, that is Your Lordship, we are challenging that 4,000 should be enhanced, Your Lordship, to 6,500, Your Lordship. Because they have suppressed their income, Your Lordship, their assets and liability. I can show it, Your Lordship, today. Suppressed income only to wash off his hands from maintaining his lawful wife and children, Your Lordship. Has even gone up to the extent of lodging an FIR against his CA also, Your Lordship, because the CA refused to manipulate his income. He was an income tax assessee since 2015, but in his assets and liability, he is saying that he is not an income tax assessee, Your Lordship.
For that, we have filed an FIR that is admitted fact, Lordship, because there wasn't any communication with me and CA, Lordship, my chartered account. No. My Lordship.
Affidavit of assets and liability was filed in a very strategic way, Your Lordship, to suppress his income so that he managed not to give any amount to his wife, Your Lordship, as less as he could.
Trial court, Lordship.
Lordship will kindly come to page 223 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2. The criminal revision petition 349 of 24.
Where is the original order?
Original order at page number.
No, for order is dated in this criminal
Revision, Lordship.
349. In 349 first order.
As count, Lordship.
Where is that order of 6,500?
Lordship, page number 141, relevant portion, Lordship. 141 of wife and the daughter lordship already attained.
Appeal is not pending, it is disposed of.
List disposed of.
What is pending?
Revision petition is
Obviously, it is pending. So you have to argue on what is the wrong with this order now. What new ground is there?
Regarding my capacity lordship,
Hmm.
after perusing my capacity, and since they are already taking rent and all the
No, you are challenging a judgment. Show us what is wrong, where the learned appellate court had gone wrong.
lordship, it is my lordship. This learned appellate court is saying that the maintenance is granted for wife and daughter lordship, but without considering my capacity to give lordship. That is the only, I cannot give that much of money lordship. Because I am staying outside lordship. They are staying in my house. It is admitted lordship. Main issue is that whether I am capable of paying that amount or not. The son who is living with the mother has property in his name. Mother and daughter, son, all are residing in. I'm incapable of paying this amount, lordship. That is why I approached this honorable court, saying that some consideration may be granted to me, lordship. Properties are there in my wife's name, lordship. I have purchased in her name. I cannot pay, lordship. That is the only problem I'm having at this point. They are living in my house. I'm not threatening. I'm not doing anything to them. And I'm a 60+ person. I'm also having some problems, lordship, medical problem. I also need some money, lord. How I will survive? That is the only point raised by petitioner for this honorable court. Some mercy may be given to me, so that I could pay. I can pay also, and I can survive also. That's why this honorable court, the amount 4,000 as interim.
So you paid 12 lakh in cash for purchasing land.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, actually that land
You're a
belongs
rich
to,
person then.
that land belongs to the brother-in-law, Your Lordship. See,
However, you have paid.
Child Bhattara is the son of the petitioner, Lordship.
that is by taking loan, Your Lordship. We have the statements. We have paid, 12 lakh is taken in loans, Your Lordship.
Who will give you loan unless you have the capacity to repay?
Lordship, mortgages, Lordship will kindly see that this petitioner is engaged
If
in
I ask you for 10 crores, will you give me?
on that plot of land, Your Lordship. The petitioner husband is engaged in coal business. He earns nearly 2 lakhs a month, Your Lordship, but he has filed suppressing those.
You have not challenged that. We don't talk about increasing that. You have not challenged the order.
At least 6,500, Your Lordship,
Why,
the 2 children.
why should we interfere in your favor? You have not challenged that order.
We have filed our affidavit in
You
opposition.
have filed affidavit in opposition. That is not a challenge. This is not a civil case. There is no provision for a cross objection.
Lordship, but they have filed this criminal revision by suppressing facts, Your Lordship. They cannot come by suppressing
They can
facts.
suppress whatever they like. Fact remains that you have not challenged that appellate order. The revision succeeds, and it can only increase. And if it doesn't, it will remain the same. Decrease. So the appellate court found that you have suppressed your income. Yes. Appellate court has held that you have suppressed your income.
That is why.
Lordship will kindly see page number 223, Your
The three.
223, Your Lordship. This is the letter by the CA to the Income Tax Department. CA, their family CA was handling his incomes since 2015. But before filing the assets and liabilities in the court below, he has approached the CA to manipulate with his income. When he refused to do so, many things, Your Lordship.
Against CA, we have filed FIR, Lordship, because there wasn't any communication with my CA, Lordship.
During that period, 2022-23,
After FIR, this letter was.
There's a capital gain of 40 lakhs, Your Lordship.
After FIR, filing my FIR.
A letter to the Income Tax Department, Your Lordship, by the CA. Person is also a holder of a licensed gun, Your Lordship, but he has approached this court as a contractual labor. Can a contractual labor has a licensed gun?
License gun, anybody may have, Lordship. I also may have license gun.
Contractual labor earning 15,000. In his application
What is the price of a gun? How many thelawalas and rickshawalas have you seen with a gun, licensed gun?
Thelawala, Lordship.
Contractual labor.
Earlier, he has a gun, Lordship. Now his condition is not like that, Lordship.
But he has filed his divorce petition as a coalfield manager with no record of the manager, Your Lordship. No record was attached that he is a coalfield manager. We have annexed that application also in his, which was filed before the Learned Family Court for divorce to page 207, Your Lordship. That application, he said.
Anyway, we are not concerned with all those facts. We are only concerned whether any gross illegality is there in the impugned order. That is all. That is the scope of the revision.
My humble
It is not a second appellate court.
My humble submission before your Lordship is that petitioner petitioner has no capacity to pay this much of amount, lordship.
But you have to establish
Lordship.
on facts.
And echo,
Before the trial court or the appellate court, not before the revisional court. We are not going to do an income analysis. We are not chartered accountants.
lordship, trial court it is going on. But some mercy maybe their lordship because interim order.
Jurisdiction.
Otherwise, I'm leaving up to your lordship.
That is the best thing to do. Maybe.
Obliged, lordship.
Obliged, lordship.